Hey gardeners, check out the LUCKYERMORE garden kneeler and seat, a versatile 2-in-1 tool perfect for your gardening needs. Use it as a comfortable bench for pruning or flip it over to kneel while weeding. It features thick, soft EVA foam padding to protect your knees and provide comfort during long gardening sessions. The heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 220 pounds and has sturdy handles to help you stand up easily. Plus, it comes with handy gardening gloves with claw fingertips for digging and a removable tool pouch to keep your tools close. When you're done, fold it compactly for easy storage and transport. This garden kneeler is a great addition to make gardening easier and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.